Okay, so we will start from Chrome. Let's book a bike wash with AutoFlege. Now I have opened Chrome and will type AutoFlege in Google. So this screen will come. It will detect your location automatically. We can change this manually also. So let's change it manually because our services are there in Pune only. So my I am located actually like the person who want to book a bike wash. My friend is located in Pimple Sudagar. So I'll type here Pimple Sudagar. Yeah, it is there automatically. So I'll choose the second option. Okay. Now in next search for vehicle name and brand. So I will choose bike. Let's see. Yes. Okay. My bike is below 200 cc, so I'll choose first option. Then we'll search. Now there is option at the right side, filters. Let's see what's there in filter. Here, short by filter. There are four options: either distance low to high, distance high to low, price low to high, and price high to low. So I'll choose price low to high, whichever everybody want. And service. Let's see what's there in service. I'll choose here. There are 4 to 5 services. I'll choose bike wash. Okay. Price. I already assigned them in low to high, so no need to. I will not change price. Kilometer range. It's between 50 kilometer, so it's okay with me. I'll go with options now. So here I see like 60, 80 almost. Things are aligned from low to high. So it's VR washing center. I'll choose a first option. Hmm. Okay, today is 19th. It's already there, and I want to book my wash for Monday, 21st. So I choose here 21st, and timing I want 12 to 1. Okay, let's see if there is any coupon. Yes, coupon is there of 20% off Holy Festival, so I can apply it from here. Uh, they offer some discounts in second wash. So since it's my first wash, there will not be any money cashback in my wallet. But if as it's supposed to be my second wash, then definitely there's supposed to be some cashback in wallet. So if I'll choose this second option, I'll see yes, some amount is there of 12 rupees in wallet also. I choose that one also. And we need to agree with the terms and condition. If we will not and we will proceed for the payment directly, then a pop-up will be there at the above side. Please agree with our terms and condition. Means we need to click this anyhow. Okay, and then we will proceed for payment. Okay, so now we directly landed to the CC menu page for payment. Okay, okay. And from here I want to make UPI because there is no charge on UPI. On remaining there are charges. So here UPI, and then I'll choose a UPI of Paytm because I am using Paytm, and my UPI address I will put here 9899519100, or I can pay by QR code also. Then I will make option pink. CC7 asking for some detail. Let's fill this detail. Billing name Ravish. Billing address Pune, and here my zip code. I'll just search. If I don't know, then I will search in Google what is my zip code. Okay, here it is. My zip code is 4114411 027. City Pune, Maharashtra. Nice, done. Mobile number I will put my mobile number here. Mail ID. Okay. This is one time activity. A CC will save for further. So we can, another one is optional. And yes, now I'll go for payment directly. Make a payment. Booking order has been filled. Oh, let's see what's the issue. I can check it again. Why this booking order is failed? 'Place Sudhagar, bike 200cc, search, filter low to high, bike wash, 21st, 12 to 1, apply coupon, pay by wallet, proceed. UPI, I can choose pay QR code, make payment. Address, Let's see, I'll make a secure payment here. Yes. Let's see. Yes, now payment is successful. And we got a message that our booking is confirmed. So it's so simple. My booking reference number is here and details are also here. We can see where center name, and we are hosting center for Monday. I already booked a slot of 12. Fair opening time of this vendor is 9 to 7. It's perfectly fine for me. Seller name, mobile number is also there. I can contact to seller also. So I earn lot of discount here. Base price 73 and discount value 150. Final amount 90. But you can see I hardly pay 36 rupees only. So this is nothing invoicing format, but out of my pocket I paid only 36 rupees because some discount, some offer was there which I availed. And at my mobile number, I got a confirmation message also along with Google Map link. So from where I can drive by clicking on this Google Map link, I can drive to vendor directly. So thank you. The same way everyone can book. It's easy. It can save our time and waiting time. There is no need to wait in queue for your turns. Uh, you can book your washing time online now. So okay.